Good morning. Today is our craft day with the fam. I need to get it all set up. The problem is I want to keep our computer on the table. Here's Louie. Hello. Good morning. Hi, come on up. No? Okay. The problem is I want to keep the computer on the table in case we want to print out any stencils. So I'm going to have to figure out how to lay us out. But I'm going to cut some cardboard so that we've got like this bit. So that if we're doing any painting on the canvas, it doesn't bleed through. So I'm going to do that first. Then I'm going to get all the little stations laid out. I've got 40 minutes until everyone gets here, or starts getting here. So that's exciting. I'm excited. I don't know what I'm going to do on my tote yet, but that's part of the fun, isn't it? Being all creative and stuff. Okay, so everybody has a little makeup-y wash bag. Oh, the zips on these are great. Oh, there you go. A little makeup-y wash bag to do, and a little tote. These actually feel really great, and they're such a cute little size. So a little tote and a wash bag. Some hankies if they want to embroider them. I've put everybody a little set of paint palette things out, and everybody gets to do one of these, except one person gets to do two of these because I've only got 3 of the other tote bags. So they get to decide what they want to create, which is fun, I think. And then in this basket, which John's sister actually gave me, is all of the things to do it with. And I bought these. And look how good these look. These are acrylic pens. Oh, look how good these look, and I can't show you. What? So pretty. So yeah, we can use those. And we've got paints, and we've got thread for embroidering, and I've got beads, and I've got diamantes if they want to gem things up. I'm really excited. Really looking forward to it. I just need to tidy up. I've made a mess here. You can't see it, but just while I was unpacking everything, made a little bit of a mess. So I need to clear that all up, get all the stations out, and everyone's going to be here in 15 minutes. So I want to push the computer back a little bit because I don't want to move it and put it away. But I think if I do that, I'll have more space. So that'll work. Okay. I think I'm ready. I can't think of anything else that I would need to do this. So I think I'm just going to do the colour chart. So it's got this piece of like card. I think you're supposed to colour a little bit on each one so people can see what the colours are. People, I suppose it would just be me normally, but I think I'm going to do that quickly. Oh, not quickly. I've got 4 minutes, but I think they look like such good quality. Let's do... Oh, yeah, this is therapeutic. I'm going to do this for a minute while everyone arrives. I've outdone myself. I'm an artiste. Those are all the colours. Aren't they pretty? And they're so bright. Put that back in the set. How do I close this? Oh, like that. Close it like that. That's the swatch done. Cool. All ready. Okay, we're crafting. The theme is nature. This is Jade. She's doing a mushroom. Hi, Jade. Owen's writing nature like a mountain rain. There's Owen, by the way. Tracy's doing mountains. And so far I've got a splodge, but it'll make sense eventually. And I think Owen made it a competition. Yeah. So.
And I'm going to win.
Not looking strong, Owen, for somebody that thinks they're going to win. Oh, it looks good, actually.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Unfortunately, Jade, I don't think we were blessed with the art skills. No. But it's fun anyway. The paints are pretty good. The pens are better, for the record.
I like the paints.
Oh, Tracy likes paints. I have painted there, but now I'm penning. Okay, me and Jade are done with our first crafty craft. Okay, you can vote in a minute when everyone's done, but I just want to show you ours. So Jade's is a mushy room and a flower. It looks so cute. Are you proud of it?
Yeah,
I would be.
I didn't pay it black.
Yeah. And then I did a whale and a vine. Hello. And some trees and some flowers. But you can see them properly when we show them when everyone's is done. And you can vote. It's time for you to vote.
Hello.
This is my tote bag. I've shown you. It's got a whale and a vine and some flowers and trees. That's number 1. So vote Emma on number 1 if you're voting me. This is Jade's. This is also Jade. Hi, Jade. Mushrooms. Mushroomy vibes.
Yes.
Okay, so 2 are Jade. Trace, you want to show yours? Mountains, and then it says stay wild enough to dream, stay peaceful enough to love. That's nice. 3 are Tracy. And then Owie McCrowie. I'll leave Owen's channel link, by the way. Nature. With all different... Talk us through what it is.
So, we've got leaves for N.
Yeah.
Like a mountainous waterfall for the A. A bird's eye view of the trails in T.
Okay.
A mountain with a forest in the U. A beach for the R, and what was meant to be a sunset.
It looks a little bit like a volcano from here.
Well, that, yeah.
It was a
We'll go with that.
volcano.
Yeah, that's what it was, yeah.
And then Louie, what did you do? Nothing. But you can smell food, so... Yeah, vote down in the comments. Okay, everyone is gone, and everyone said they had fun, so that's good. I want to just show you everything I crafted. It's not amazing, but it was good fun. So I embroidered on a hanky. I need to wash this off. And then I did hearts all over this tote, which I think is really cute. And I did this one that you saw that's got the whale on it. So there's the whale, flowers. So now I'm just tidying up because I have to start tea, and we're having something new for tea tonight. We're having a chili and new style potatoes that we don't normally have, so that'll be good, and John will be back in about an hour, so I need to get a move on with the tidying up. But it shouldn't be too bad actually, it's quite tidy. Okay, all clean, so now it's just time to do dinner and organise everything YouTubey for next week. So I'm going to move on to that now. Dinner takes about 40 minutes. I'll show you the recipe in a second. And John's going to be home in an hour and a half. So I've got a tiny bit of time, but not a lot of time to do some bits. So I'm going to do as much as I can before he gets home, because he was dreading the mess from today, but it's not actually messy, so that's good. This is what we're having for tea. So it's harissa chili with crispy potatoes. I think I'm going to do the potatoes in the air fryer though. It looks pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going to get chopping and start with tea. It says it only takes 40 minutes, so I've got time to just do it slow time, which is nice. I feel like I've been busy today. Who it is?
Hi.
It's a John.
Hi.
John doesn't
Hi.
like crafting.
No, but you had a good day, it sounds. So
Yeah.
that's good.
And we thought we would show you, so I showed you what it should look like. It kind of does, but these...
It looks really good.
I think, yeah, I don't know if I didn't cook them thin enough, or cut them thin enough, but they took forever to cook those potatoes.
It was a really good day.
Yeah,
This
it
is a
did.
new recipe for us. This is a new. We haven't picked this for a book before, have we?
No.
So yeah, I'm not excited for this one.
Yeah, John's been at work all day, so
All day.
probably hungry, right?
All day, hungry and tired.
Oh, poor John.
I know.
Poor John in the comments for John. Right, have you
No, I'm
done
glad you had a good time. You
Yeah.
were saying about it. And Trace, you said saying she had a good time. So yeah, it's good.
The next one is whittling.
Yeah, I might be up for that one.
Yeah.
Maybe. I won't be any good at it, but I'll give it a go maybe.
Yeah, I think it'll be fun.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right, let's eat and watch YouTube.
Nice. What are you going to watch?
Okay, so craft day done, dinner done. We're about to watch
Work done.
work done. We're about to watch Night Agent, which is what we've been watching recently.
Yep.
I think there's some good things coming out on Netflix actually soon. I know the next bit of Bridgerton's coming out. The new, you don't watch Bridgerton, and you don't watch the new Euphoria's coming out, but you don't watch that
No.
either. Abigail, the film, is on there. Fall Guy is coming out.
Okay.
Yeah, there's quite a lot on there. Let us know what you watch, because we're about to run out of Night Agent.
I just watched that Gordon Ramsay thing on my days off last week. That was really good. No, I mean, I quite like Gordon Ramsay, but he's got a really nice restaurant opening in London.
Yeah,
so
you
I
were
want to
saying
give that a go.
yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to have a nice volley,
Yep.
watch Night Agent,
Yep.
and go to bed like the rock stars we are.
I'm really tired today.
Yeah.
It's been a really busy and hard day today. What's not how it should be on Saturday. But yeah, I'm done in really.
Yeah.
And you are as well. You were up early as well, weren't you? So,
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think there's going to be much happening tonight, really.
No. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to vote down in the... I'll try and leave it as a poll, but if not, leave it in the comments.
I've not seen them yet. I said, where is it? And I want to see it, but she's packed it away.
I've packed it all away. Yeah, so don't forget to vote either in the poll or down in the comments and
Okay.
let us know what you're watching. Preferably on Netflix, but we do have Now TV as well.
Yes, we do. And Amazon, maybe?
I don't know if we've got Amazon at the moment. I can't remember.
I know. I think we used to. I don't know
Yeah.
if we still have.
No, me neither.
But yeah, there's a lot of on YouTube we've got to catch up on.
Yeah,
as
it's
well,
true,
so,
yeah. Yeah,
Got
so...
plenty to watch.
Yeah, we hope you had a nice weekend. If you did and you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.